Hurricane Irma during the storm update. I'm here with little mama. She's on her computer using the last little juice on her laptop battery.
That's 100.
Oh, okay. All right, she still has 100, so she's fine. It's actually daylight. It's 11 a.m., but you can't see anything because I have all the shutters up. Let's go take a look outside. I'll be right back. The weather says it's about 40-mile-per-hour winds, but it's just some gusts that you're going to see the trees really bend. Let's see if we catch one on video now. Still sustained 40 miles per hour winds. Rain, as you can see, soft light rain, cloudy, and it's a constant wind from the east. So the house is actually blocking all the wind, and it's not really hitting me. It's just going over the top of the house and hitting these trees right back here. So I guess I'm lucky in that sense. I'm not totally crazy. The pool is warm. It has actually a nice fresh water feel to it. And these guys right here, I have no power at the house, so they're slowly getting warmer and warmer inside the refrigerator. So there's no way I can let these guys go totally hot. So let me enjoy a few beers. All good, Papo. Hurricane dinner, day one, no power. I think we overdid it, but that's how we do it. You definitely need 3 or 4 propane tanks for a hurricane. 3 or 4 5 gallons of gasoline, a generator, and about 4 or 5 little MSR gas cans for a little portable camping gas stove. I think after that, and some food and some electrical extension cords, I think you'll be fine. So this is just my experience, and it's working out pretty good right now. We have no power. We've had no power for at least 8 hours. Okay, we're checking the aftermath of Hurricane Irma. This is the very next day, Monday, after the hurricane passed. All day yesterday was blowing. And here's the damage so far in my neighborhood. A lot of flooding, a lot of down trees. Other than that, nothing major. I did see one screen enclosure lose all its screen. we have a rescue, but it's not a human life or an animal, it's a mango tree. We're gonna try to save this mango tree's life. It went down, and it's my buddy's favorite tree. So let's see if we could winch it up with the Jeep winch.
Man.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Luckily no major damage. We're all okay, we're all safe. There's no lights, there's no street lights. People are driving a little bit crazy.